In this video, using real estate as an example, I am going to show you how to make the new carousel pins. Now, not everybody has these yet. Mine appeared the other day, and I want to show you how we can build these carousel pins. So up here, I'm going to go to Add, and I'm going to go to Create Carousel. Now, what I'll tell you so far that I have noticed is while these look cool, I'm not necessarily seeing more engagement on them yet. Also, I can't share them on Tailwind, which is my Pinterest extension that I'm using to build followers and traffic and build tribes to share pins. So for me, if I'm going to make a carousel for something, I'm also going to make a single pin for that item because I don't want to limit how I can promote it. All right, so let's go ahead and let me grab my listing here. Let's do, I'm going to grab a listing here that we have. Okay, so let's do this one, 4090 Pebble Road. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and title this something that I would want the search engines to pick up. Maybe I want to do the address because I'm specifically targeting the address for the search engines. Like I'm trying to beat Zillow if somebody Googles that. That might be a strategy. No, it's not letting me paste. Hold on, let me see. Nope. Okay, I'm going to type in 4090 Pebble Road, Las Vegas, Nevada, and it's 89139. Now I have more room, so I'm going to go ahead and put something like beautiful horse property with casita. Beautiful horse property for sale with casita, okay? Now, if it'll let me copy the description, let's see how much of this I can grab here. We'll go ahead and paste that in there. Yep, perfect. Oh, I like it, okay? Now, I want to put a website in here. So I can put in the website that I have verified with Pinterest, or I could put in my listings to leads landing page. Lots of ways to do this. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and just send them right here to the property page directly. Now I'm going to choose a board, and I'm going to put this under my, I'm going to put this under Dream Homes. Okay, now we can do pictures. So depending on your regulations, our board has regulations against taking the pictures that have our Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors stamp on there. So I try to get my originals whenever I can. And if you wanted to, you could put these in a pin format on Canva, but I'm finding that even my square pins, rectangular pins are all doing pretty well. So I oftentimes will just make one regular first and then go from there. I'm kind of scrolling right now to see what pictures I might like to put on this pin. That's a pretty one. That bathroom looks pretty. I usually go with kitchens, bathrooms, pools that might capture attention. And I like the way I'm going to be able to snag this. So I'm going to do a screen capture here. And I'm just going to grab that picture. And then let's do, I think there was one with a pool in here. Oh, I like the horse. I'm going to make that the first one. I think that's going to grab some attention. I'm going to grab the horse. But see how I'm kind of snagging it? I'm actually making it more vertical, like a pin would be. And I'm just using my Mac for that, Command-Shift-4. If you're on a PC, you've probably got a snipping tool you can do that with. Okay, I forget how many I can do, but let's go ahead and grab a couple more. Ooh, that's pretty. So I'm going to do this kitchen, same thing. I'm going to kind of make it more longer. Like I'll do that there. And then, all right, maybe I'll do this one. Okay, you get the idea. All right, so let's go back over to our pin. Now upload from your computer, drag and drop. I'll go to desktop. And I'll go ahead and grab these pins. Where is that last one? There it is. Click open. Ooh, I like it. Now the last pin, I'm going to put my logo, my yard sign. Not sure where I put that today, so let me see. There it is. That's what I want. Okay. All right. So I'm going to edit that. Let me see if I can crop that because it's cutting out my shucks. It's going to be the wrong size. So I might want to probably resize that before I use that one. So let me grab a different one. Let's see. This would be a good place if you have any broker requirements. You could actually make a pin that has your broker requirements in it, your license number, your logo, that kind of thing. In fact, I think I'll make a separate video because I don't want this one to go long. So, you know, for now, let me just take this out just so that I can finish this. Oh, shucks. Look what just happened. Really? Oh, there it is. Okay, we're good. All right, so let me go ahead and just try to submit this one. For some reason, sometimes it takes multiple attempts to get it to submit. And I have not figured out the exact reason for that yet. Sometimes it takes me taking like something out of the title maybe. Let's try that. Or my title could be a little long. There we go. So I guess it didn't like that pipe that was in the title there. All right, let's go ahead and look at our pin now so you can see how this carousel works. Okay, hold on, let that bring it back in here. And yes, my Pinterest is starting to gain traction for real estate. I have several businesses, several niches. Real estate's just one of them. And I'm now starting to see my analytics software showing traffic to my website from my pins, which is exciting. So let's take a look at this pin now. So see, now the user can actually slide through this and look at the pictures. Now, I think this is awesome for real estate, personally. Oh, you know what? I take it back. The pin is working. I can add it, but it looks like it's just adding the single page, not the whole slider. So interesting. It does look like we can add it to tribes, but I'll have to look later and see what that does. Anyway, this is how you make the pin. And so I am going to be making lots and lots of these carousel pins for homes for sale under 100, under 200, under 300, under 400, under 500, under 600. Those seem to get a lot of traction. My condo homes pin is getting a lot of traction, so I think I'm going to go showcase maybe all the neighborhoods in a pin or the condo units in a pin, and I'll come back and teach you some more best practices. But for today, that's how you make a carousel pin for your real estate listings in Pinterest. I'm Lori Ballen. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.